Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about helping you find the best beauty products to fit your needs. If you're tired of battling hair breakage, frizz, and sun damage, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to tackle all of these concerns. Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Protective Leave-In Treatment. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out, and if you're enjoying the review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more honest beauty insights. Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Protective Leave-In Treatment is designed for all hair types, offering a comprehensive solution to common hair concerns. Its key promises are impressive. It protects hair from 5 major issues: breakage, UV damage, heat styling, up to 450 kbs, mechanical damage, and frizz. This treatment is paraben-free and offers a salon-quality scent, giving your hair a refreshing, professional touch. The formula is aimed at restoring and smoothing hair, while also providing protection against environmental stressors. When it comes to the ingredients, this treatment is formulated with Wella's signature repair technology, designed to mend damaged hair and leave it feeling nourished without weighing it down. It comes in a sleek 6.7 flots bottle, and a little goes a long way. The spray is light and easy to apply, which is great for those of us who don't want to spend too much time on our hair routine, but still need that extra protection. In terms of application, I found this treatment incredibly easy to incorporate into my routine. After washing my hair, I spritzed it evenly onto damp strands, focusing on the ends where I tend to experience the most breakage. The product didn't leave any residue, which was a relief, and it absorbed quickly. As for the scent, it's a beautiful salon-like fragrance that isn't overpowering. I've used it for a couple of weeks now, and I've noticed a reduction in frizz and a smoother, more manageable texture, even after using heat tools. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. It provides excellent thermal and UV protection, which is essential for those who use hot tools regularly or spend time outdoors. The lightweight formula doesn't leave hair feeling greasy or heavy, which is a win for fine-haired individuals like myself. It smooths and detangles, making hair easier to style. The fragrance is pleasant, but not overpowering, which adds a touch of luxury without feeling too much. Cons? The price might be a bit higher than some drugstore alternatives, but considering its effectiveness, I think it's worth the investment. If you have super fine or oily hair, you might want to apply it sparingly to avoid weighing your hair down. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this product is a good investment for those who prioritize hair health. If you're dealing with damaged or dry hair from heat styling or environmental exposure, this leave-in treatment provides solid protection and noticeable results. The high-quality ingredients and performance make it worth the price point, especially if you're looking for a product that can do it all, from repairing damage to protecting your hair on a daily basis. If you're wondering how this compares to other treatments on the market, there are definitely some worthy competitors out there. However, Wella's formulation stands out with its all-in-one protection against both environmental and mechanical stress. While there are cheaper options, they often don't provide the same level of comprehensive care, especially when it comes to UV and heat protection. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and practical. The spray bottle is easy to use, and the product's longevity is impressive. With regular use, you should be able to get several weeks' worth of treatment from a single bottle, even with medium-length hair. I've noticed that the product remains effective over time, continuing to smooth and protect hair with each use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now let's talk about customer service. While I didn't need to reach out to Wella's customer support personally, I know they have a strong reputation for responsive service, and that adds an extra layer of confidence for those purchasing online. There haven't been any recent updates to this product that I'm aware of, so the formula and packaging remain the same, which is good if you've had a positive experience with it in the past. If you're looking for an alternative to this treatment, there are other great leave-in products at lower price points, such as the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioning Cream. It doesn't have the same level of UV protection, but it's a budget-friendly option for those who need moisture and frizz control. To wrap up, Wella Professional's Ultimate Repair Protective Leave-In Treatment is a solid choice for anyone struggling with damaged or frizzy hair. It lives up to its claims by providing effective protection and repair while smoothing and strengthening hair over time. If you're willing to invest in a higher-end treatment, this one is worth considering. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.